When a child feels anxious, they're not being difficult, they're feeling unsafe. And safety isn't something we explain, it's something we help them feel. If your child worries easily, struggles with separation, or seems anxious about everyday things, this video could be for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 gentle, science-backed ways to help anxious children feel safe emotionally and physically. Tool 1. Predictable routines. Predictability tells a child's nervous system nothing unexpected is coming. So, establish simple routines, a consistent morning flow, after school rhythm, and bedtime sequence. You don't need to be rigid, just have familiar patterns. Tool 2. Connection rituals. Small repeated moments of connection build big emotional safety. Examples are a 2-minute morning hug, a secret handshake, a goodbye phrase, or routine. These rituals anchor children emotionally, especially during separation. Tool 3. Breathwork. Anxious children often breathe fast and shallow without realizing it. So, try breathing in through the nose and a slow exhale through the mouth. Breathing together, not instructing it. Breathwork helps calm the nervous system from the inside out, and there are many other breathwork tools you can use. Tool 4. Sensory tools. Anxiety lives in the body, so helpful sensory supports firm hugs or pressure, pushing a wall, jumping, stretching, or rocking, if appropriate. These give the body the input it needs to feel grounded and safe. Tool 5. Naming the worry. When we name the worry, we make it less scary. So examples might look like, it sounds like you're worried about school. That thought feels big right now. Naming doesn't increase anxiety, it reduces it by bringing understanding and connection. Anxiety isn't something to eliminate, it's something to support. When children feel safe enough, their confidence grows naturally. If this helped, then please subscribe for more gentle, science-based tools for supporting children's emotional well-being. And tell me, which tool are you going to try, or which tool has helped you? So remember, our feelings make sense. Our body knows how to help us if we learn how to listen to its signals. I really hope this helped. Let me know if it did. Have a great day. Bye.